Tired of choppy Minecraft gameplay on your Mac and wishing you could make it look even better? Then Optifine is the answer, and in this video, I'll show you how to install it in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Optifine and download the version of Optifine that corresponds to your Minecraft version, making sure to click the mirror link to avoid ads. Once the download is complete, locate the Optifine jar file in your Downloads folder. Now, before running the jar, you'll have to install Java if you haven't already, and you will need to give the jar permissions in System Preferences first. Right-click the jar file and select Open. You will get a warning that the file is from an unidentified developer. This is normal, so head to System Preferences, then Security and Privacy. In the General tab, you should see a message saying the jar file was blocked. Click Allow anyway. Now, double-click the Optifine jar file again. This time, the Optifine installer window will open. Simply click Install. A confirmation message will appear once the installation is complete. Click OK. Open your Minecraft launcher. You should now see an Optifine profile in the drop-down menu before you hit play. If you don't see it, close and reopen the launcher. Select the Optifine profile, launch the game, and enjoy your smoother, better-looking Minecraft. Be sure to tweak the video settings for maximum performance or gorgeous shaders. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.